Well, let's get to that first unboxing video. What do you say? I'm pretty excited. I have been through 2 meat stuffers so far. First one I didn't go completely through, but I wore it out about half, 3/4 away, and I gave it to a buddy of mine so he had something to start with. I just broke one the other day. They're both manual, hand crank. Decided we'll spend a little bit more money and see if we can get a better product. So I ordered it. By the miracle of Amazon, it came in like 2 days. And packaging is just a bit bigger than I thought. Got excited as it worked, got a message that it was delivered, sitting on the porch. It's snowing today. I don't know if you can see that out behind me or not, but it sucks. So, here it is. Brand new L.E.M 20-pound electric stuffer. I'll get the box opened up. I'll be right back. We'll do a little bit hands-free here, show you what was in the box. Instructions, assembly manual, I'm sure. Haven't looked at it yet. Stuffing tubes, all stainless steel. I like that. Plastic's kind of cool, you can see through it, but plastic scratches, and when it scratches, it holds bacteria. So we've got from a 1/2-inch tube, which should be ideal for snack sticks, all the way up to, I think this one is 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. Be good for summer sausage, bag filling if you're grinding your own meat, whatever. Foot switch, power controls, we'll get to that in a minute. Start with, there's the 20-pound can, and it comes with a manual crank. 2-speed, high and low. So like if you're doing this by hand, I'm gonna back her out. Should move pretty quick. Put it on low when you're really punching some power down. Anyhow, this I like. Look how heavy duty that plunger is. Last 2 stuffers I had a screw worm here and then a gear on the side. Over time, they start to wear and they drop metal particles down on top of your plunger. Also, I see that this has graduated marks on it. Tells you where you're at. But anyway, I will get the controller on and get her plugged in, and we'll come back and check that out. Well, it takes about 30 seconds to install this. There's a sensor plug. You have to plug that wire in, and then there are 3 screws, 1, 2, and a 3rd on the back. They're just finger tight. That's all you need. And then you have power control right here. You can run this thing up and down, just hit the button. Stop. Down. Down has speed control. Hit stop. And it'll automatically back up just a little bit. Kind of a cool feature. We'll crank her up. If you're using the foot pedal is only good for down position. That means it'll only press, it won't retract. But you can press her down, she'll go down. When it hits bottom, it will stop on its own, even though I'm still holding the switch. And it will say, it's time to back up. And it'll bring the plunger all the way to the top. Stop. And that's about it. So first impressions, I think it's gonna be a pretty good unit. It's built well, it's pretty solid. I'm really excited about having the hands-free option so that I can be moving a coil of sausage and regulating the pressure on the stuffing horn at the same time. So it's kind of cool, and I can adjust the speed and feed. And I don't have to try to clamp or bolt the thing to a table because there's no cranking on it. I think it's going to be great. First test is going to be some 19 millimeter snack sticks. That should be a really good test. I mean, smaller the diameter, the more stress it puts on a stuffer. It's got a 2-year warranty. Let's test her out first thing.